Oh man, looks even better at night. Look at that beautiful keyboard. So we have the LEDs right here. You hit this button right there and it changes all the LED patterns. Look at that. On the NPET wireless keyboard, hit the LED button again right there. Turns off the LEDs, hit it again. Got LED mode 1, LED mode 2, LED mode 3, and off. Very simple. So if you hold the function and the page up or page down, you can change the brightness of the LEDs. Oh yeah, love them. Nice and bright. And again, you can change the LED color pattern off, color 1, color 2, color 3, and off. I think I like color 1 the most. It's up to you guys. You know, wherever it matches your decor of your computer, right? Like if I change up my computer color, maybe to something like this, right? Then maybe this one will match with a different color over here. So whatever pattern you want, you can make it match with the NPET wireless gaming keyboard. There you go. Oh yeah.